My name is Nolotsano Makonga. I was born and bred here in PE. I studied in Zondelelo High School where I completed my matric there. Then I went to Nelson Mandela University where I've obtained National Diploma in Human Resource Management. Then I furthered my studies. Then I am at TVET in college as a lecturer. Yeah, ndithandile ke irugby because I'm coming from Nzondelelo, a famous school up rugby. Everybody knows up Pai. When you talk about Nzondi, you talk about rugby. History, it's a culture of rugby in Nzondelelo. So I've started playing rugby in Nzondelelo, where there was no women's rugby back then. So we started playing as classes, 9B or 9C, playing against each other. Then rugby players, guys, then I didn't even know my position because since I was short, they said that at least I'm light, I can jump as a lock, which is I can't be a lock because I'm very short. Then ndafunda, and then nam ndasazisa khona sam that I must become a scrum half because it's easy bandifike kwi-scrum and then pass the ball. Then nyhani ndasadlala ndasi-scrum half. Enzonele ke we became first women's rugby. Sithi abantu bokuqala udlala irugby, and I'm also the first scrum half apha eBhayi. Sadlala ke irugby, sasupportwa ke kakhulu ziguys zethu, nathi sizisupporta a lot. Inspiration yam ndizawutsho ndithi yinzondi, where it all started in Nzondelelo. Then I went to play for Vista. Sadlala kakhulu naphana kwi-Vista, sidlala against i-Hilltop, iZwide, zonke lo maqela apha eBhayi, but ke we were the best. We were the best. I cannot lie. So Nzondelelo inspired me a lot. Currently, I'm a manager for Eastern Province Queens. The ladies behind me, ndibhizi nabo ngoku, ndiyimentor yabo. Like I'm teaching them a lot of things like skills, life problems. I'm sharing my past experience kunye nabo when I was a player and now since I'm an adult. Ndiyayisherisha loo nto leyo, and I always embrace education bias because I always tell them that education goes hand in hand with sport, because you can get an injury, like a permanent and major injury. There's nothing to fall back on. So isikolo goes a long way. So embrace a lot ke isikolo. So nabo ndiyamamotivator apha into yobana mabaye college, umntu makazi courses, umntu makajonge into yobana isakhono sakhe siphi, uyabo. So communicate a lot. Ndingumzali, ndiyitshomi, I'm a player kubo kakhulu. Mna ke ndidlalile provincial. I played scrum for Eastern Province, I played for Border, and I played for Western Province, where I got a scholarship in Cape Town, and then I studied there at UWC, then our education corner, and then I completed my studies and came back. Now I'm currently working here at Eastern Province Rugby Union as a team manager. Nationally, all I can say about national is I didn't make South Africa, but I want to produce South Africans behind me. I motivate them to play hard in sport so that they can make it into national team. See a trainer, even last weekend, we have started our IPL competition. We were playing against Lions in Johannesburg, of which we played very well. We won the Lions 32-12. I applauded my girls. So we're working very, very hard to be where we are now. To add more, I would like to see my queens in national team. And for that, Nati, we are doing on our own with the coaches. Like you are putting a lot of efforts to see queens nazo zingena ku national team. And of course, sibagadile because imama sibagadile siyasebenzisana nabo in terms of diet yabo, like nutrition, because everybody knows that he is sport lady, asiki everything. So nutrition or diet yabo sithi make sure into yobana they are eating healthy and they exercise well, because ke ezi exercises zibenza into yobana like bakwazi ukucinga, like i-well-being yabo and health is very important. Like ibenza into yobana nale situation ezibabene good communication because of they communicate well with management and also with their peers. So we instill that, discipline, we instill diet, we instill communication, we instill education, we instill everything. They are cognitive so that bacinge kahle. There's a question that always pop up, like the youth from schools, they're always asking me, what can they do in order baba feel kwesi stage? We've got the YTC edishana with izikolo, because up at senior level we don't have 17, 16, 15 development year to start at school. So they have to play school rugby and develop, because this year we've got players that were playing youth last year. They were playing under 20, but now we converted them to first team, and they did well because of first three tries ziskorwe ngabantwana basuka ku-under 20 from last year. So ukuze ufike apha, you must start at school. Hence I was saying in the first that school goes hand in hand with sport. So if you want to be here ubekule level sukuyo, you must start at school. Then there's a EP schools where you will be elected to play for EP schools. Unyuke under 16, we've got under 18, we've got under 20s. Also the national team, we've got SAs under 16, we've got SA under 18, and we also have SA under 20s. Then ufike apha ke kule level yethu yaka first. This is a senior team. Le uyibona behind me.